On October 7, 2024, a high-speed chase in Raleigh, North Carolina, ended in the untimely death of 31-year-old Tyrone Mason. This footage captures the concerned trooper telling the responding officers a different story about what happened, an event that later sparked a state investigation and public outcry. As you watch, please hit the subscribe button if not yet subscribed. It means a lot to us.
C340 Raleigh.
Raleigh C340, go ahead.
Yeah, RPD and Fire and EMS 1018 to Capitol and Wake Forest Road, reference at 1050 PI.
Raleigh C340, 10-4, I'll make contact.
All my shit was off. Came around the corner here at Atlantic Avenue. He ran into the median here.
Did you call 1043 or anything?
No, sir. The second I realized that it was not a smart chase, I literally turned all my stuff off. I'd lost sight when I came around the corner. I saw all the smoke.
Sounds to me like this RPD's problem.
Alright, they're on the way.
But you're the first one out with it?
Yeah, not being like weird about it, I just did not feel it was a safe chase.
Okay, is your camera still rolling?
Yeah, on a different recording though, because I had already disengaged.
Okay, yeah, you turned around on him, you lit him up, you immediately stopped as soon as you lost sight of him, and you drove up on him. That's RPD's problem.
Yeah, I had turned my stuff off, I continued to roll, and then as I was probably going 50 miles an hour, and I was like, holy crap, there's that same car. So,
yeah.
Alright, well that works.
I wouldn't mention anything to them about you tried to stop him.
No, I won't.
Just say, hey man, I drove up on this.
Yeah.
And leave it at that.
Alright, yeah, no, it was very short. I
did
not feel safe chasing this dude.
Damn.
Yeah.
So is there EMS or anybody out there?
They're on the way.
You confirmed he's DRT though?
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah, no, it was not 1043.
Okay, yeah, that's RPD's problem. I wouldn't say shit to him.
Alright, sir. I appreciate it.
I just feel like I drove up on it.
Alright.
Alright. Have anything else?
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye.
Yeah, it's a fatal. Yeah, I rolled up on it. He obviously came over the median. There's a bunch of people up there, by the way.
See to get that door open.
Just watch your back. There's a bunch
You check
of
on him yet or no?
Not yet, no.
You're gonna check on him, see if he's good.
There's a bunch of dudes up there, by the way. Just watch your back.
Sir? Sir, are you okay, sir? You eyes open or anything?
No.
Were you like pulling him over or something?
No.
You just driving by?
This is the little area I work, so then I came up on it and I saw the smoke and heard all the cars hitting the debris. I moved the tire out of the road and that's everything else is still intact.
Okay.